Okay, Nightmare Puppeteer, making actor customized basics go. Here is our actor. We click this to edit the actor. Okay, now we are manually, what can we do in here? Okay, this randomizes, oh shit, if this happens, hit this. Okay, it randomizes entire actor without props, this button. Okay, this is what this does. Now, if I hit this, it randomizes actor. Oh, there we go again, laying down on the job. With props. Okay, all these fucking random props all over. Oh, this nice selfie stick guy and penis flashlight. Pretty cool. You want to get rid of all props, click this. Okay? You want to change the body. If you do this, it goes through all the bodies, forward, backward. Okay, this random body. Okay. Alright, random body. We go up here, same thing with head. Go through the heads. Next, previous, random. This, you can scale the head. Like so. Very beautiful. Okay, these are for hand props. So, right hand prop. As you can see here, the trash can, same thing, random, blah blah. Except these have cancel a delete option. You delete it, okay? You don't like it. So same as this, but just for the one. This is for crotch prop. I think also is penis though. So this you add a penis. Oh my god, my dick is as big as a bus. Yes, you can do this now. Your fantasy bus penis. Same thing, other hand. Oh, chainsaw. Okay, scale this up. Okay. Something else you can do in here is if you click the help here, it tells you select prop, hold space plus left click, and this shit here. Read this. Read the fucking help. Okay, what this means is we can hold space bar, click. I don't know what the fuck this is, but yeah, then we can use these shits to do this kind of thing. Okay? I don't know why this axis is down here, whatever. This shit's all fucked up. It's supposed to be this way. Same with props. Like, say you're like, but my bus penis should be rotated this way. Then you can re-rotate your bus penis. Do this. Okay. They're pretty shitty controls, but hey, what you're gonna do? Go use the other cinematic engine out there. Madness Engine Performance. There is not one. Haha. So, okay. So that is that. Also, there's flavors. These are body flavors. You click, it changes the flavor of the body. Oh my god, naked lady. That's what this does, okay? Back to default. Yeah, this is the reset thing. If it gets all fucked up, hit that. So these are load and save slots for characters. Like, say you're like, I love this woman. She is my new wife. You save there. And then I can go random. Oh, I am marrying this guy too. Okay, and like, so, oh, this guy, oh, hamburger dude, face guy. So they save, of course, and then to load them back. Hey, where'd the head go? Whoa, it's over there. Why did it do this? I do not know. I think this is bug. Whoa. How did this happen? Who did this? Who is the developer of this game? Oh yeah, it's me, shit. Okay, that fixed it. Did it fix it? No, this body is destroyed, sorry. Oh look, my new wife is much better, swag. Save, okay, forget that other one, don't do what I did. Now, save this, okay. My bus penis and chainsaw is intact. That's all I care about. So, yes, and also for actor, we go into edit head menu. This has additional options. So again, we can randomize head. I mean head props, head stuff, not the head itself. And then randomize the head stuff with props. Okay. Like so. And these are the different head props. Scale, this bottle of milk. This is head, this is for in mouth. He has gun. Oh shit, look at bullets. That's pretty cool. A police car to match his penis. Whoa, vibrating milk bottle. Cool. That is very nice. I like this. Wow, I'm on DMT. Woo woo. So then this is nose. You should know how to do this shit by now. I'm not gonna show you this with the American. You can't learn anything. We want bigger nose, like this. Okay, hair. Let's get some long flowing locks. Not the brain. These. Blue hair. Yes, now I'm a game developer for real. Look, I have blue hair. Eyes, I can't even see them. Whatever. Teeth, I can't see that shit either. And these flavors are same as other thing except for head. So yeah, I like this wavy head. Okay. Though, you know what, I was going to do the paint. Shit. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. And this. And this. And this. And also this. Because I'm going to show you the shitty painting you can do in here. So, there's a head. If you click this, it will open these really shitty paint controls. I don't even know why the fucking developer put this shit in here. It's like he just bought this asset and was like, oh, I want to use this. And then I could sell that people on Steam. Like, look at this painting. Wow, your imagination. It's just like PS4 dreams. All your creative dreams come true. Why is it painting back of his head bad UVs? Fucking Americans. I bet American fucking made these UVs. Boy, there, here we go. Yes, beautiful. So yeah, this painting sucks. But it has this feature, so the developer can sell this for $79.99. If you got it for less, wow, great deal, you. So you click OK, it saves it, puts on character, you click this, it clears it. I mean, it says it right here. Why am I making these fucking tutorials? I don't know. But there we have our paint dude, and then you can go and put eyes back on him. Why are they following me? Oh, shit. Oh, man, I'm scared. Is this horror game? Seems everyone making horror game. I like these. Yes, this helmet and camera. Okay. So, besides that fuck up with the head, whatever that was, I don't know. This was pretty good, eh? So, we like this dude, or whoever he is, so we're going to save him to this slot. And yeah, you can just do that. And, I'm going to reload one of these. And if you want some more actors, you click the download here, and it should open the Steam Workshop, and you can get actors other people have made. Let's try this one. We download this, so okay, and if we go back here, look, we have a new actor. What the fuck is this? Whoa, this is crazy. From the Steam Workshop. Okay, I like this. I'm going to save them there. But let me bring back my hero. Let's just make sure. Okay, that works. And this, let's say you want to share your creations with the workshop, you can do so here. And this, I'm going to call this guy Lover Man. He has bus. Okay, we can upload picture, draw picture. I take screen cap so they can see who this is. And we do that. And okay, so now I have shared my Lover Man with the world. And yes, so that is custom actor. And of course you have not just reset. Reset. What are you doing? Hey! Hey! Okay. You don't just have one actor, you press this button, you have two. You reset. What are you doing? This actor is acting weird. So this is buddy actor, so you can do same shit, you know, make them whoever you want. I like this potato brain guy. He's pretty good, huh? Yeah, he's going to be star in my movie. I will save you to slot 1. So this actor has its own slot. So you can save 12 presets, buddy actor, 12 presets, main actor. So now you have your actors. Okay, let's go somewhere else.
This one's a special shout out to our #1 fan, Dave. Dave's actually our only fan. Thanks, Dave.
Yes, thank you, Dave.